everyone, it's Nisha. So welcome to day 2 of the Emily edit. So if you haven't seen the part 1, the day 1, I will link it here. So for those who don't know, I've decided to do the whole week of the Emily edit looks. And this is, I suppose, to thank Emily. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I talk about it in part 1. Okay, let's do this. Today, I think I go for something more. Yesterday was very sunsetty, coppery look. Today, I think I will go for something more burgundy. So I'm going to start with Cupcake. And I will put that all over my, well, at least here in a part of my eye. It's a beautiful shimmery pale pink. Oh, it's lovely. Let me bring you closer. I think now I'm going to go with Midwest, and I will put that in my crease. Just very lightly and blend it upwards. As my transition color. Then where I'm going to go into Love Tans, and I'm going to just deepen up my crease just on the outer portion of my eye. That is really pretty color. It's like a pinky cherry. Just ignore my descriptions. I am absolutely useless. I watch sometimes people swatching palettes and describe the colors so beautifully. I'm just useless. Now I'm going to take Heartbeat, which is shimmery burgundy. No, I can't use that one. I think I used that yesterday. I need to use something different. Let me carry on with the Love Tans in here, just to do my reverse 7 a bit. And then maybe I will go with Pizzazz, which is Emily's favorite word, and I will put that in the middle of my eye. This one doesn't seem that pigmented. You have to sort of pattern press. Let's try if that will work better with your finger. Oh yes, you see a lot of these shimmery and foiled eyeshadows work much better with your finger, and I use my finger a lot. Oh, I like that combo actually. I like that Pizzazz with Love Tans. Nice. Right, my hands are covered now. Now I'm going to take Pifi, which is very dark burgundy, and I'm going to put it right on the outer V, outer 7. We don't have V's. Gosh, I hope I am in focus. Do you know what? I might zoom out and do my zoom in editing, because I think that looks better, because I'm so worried this camera seemed to be playing up when I zoom the lens. So, and I know absolutely nothing about in depth how cameras work, so oh, I love that look. I love those colors. Another natural look. Not. I'm barely touching. That's a very good trick. Barely touch. Let's blend it out just upwards here on the edges. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go back into Cupcake and intensify it here. Love that look. Okay, what should I put underneath my eye? I think I might go with Pizzazz. Pizzazz. That is a nice name. I will probably create a playlist, my week with the Emily edit or something like that, so all the looks can be in the same playlist. So if you missed one, you can always find it there. Okay, and now I'm going to go to Pifi again with like a really tiny detailing brush, because this is quite dark, and go very closely with it to my lash line, just on the outside. Oh, the sun is coming out. I might actually put the Pifi, I wet my brush and I use it a bit as a eyeliner on the top of my lash line. Yeah, that looks nice, that really works. I bet you can't wait for the green look. I'm really scared. I think a long time ago I've done one green look on my eyes. Can't remember what I've used then, but I'm definitely gonna do it, so be patient. Let me just show you a trick that I use when you are presented with a palette that has so many different colors and you look at it and you feel a bit lost, what do I use with what? So I decide first on a color theme. So say like today I'm doing pinky burgundy. So I look at all of them and I put them all next to each other on my hand, and I can then see, oh yeah, this will look nice with this, this will look nice with this. That's a very good trick, and I use it a lot. Okay, let's do mascara. I'm using again the Nib and Fab, and I want to use it every day because, you know, my video about Nib and Fab was first impressions, so I want to see, you know, after using it for a week, if I still like it. You know, the mascara can change, sometimes can dry out and start performing differently, but so far so good. I still like it, and this is probably, I did the video last week and I've been using it every day, so this is probably my 4th, 5th day of using it. if not longer. Okay, so this is my look too with the Emily Edit palette. I love it. These are my colors too, you know, the pinkies, plums, and I like most colors really. I'm just really scared of the green. I really love how it turned out. Do you? It's so pretty. Let me just quickly tell you what I've got on my lips. So I have the NYX matte lip liner in Los Angeles. Then I have the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick, and that is so similar to the Tom Ford Nude Vanille. You know that Nude Vanille's been my favorite for years, but I'm sure they've discontinued that color because I can't find it anywhere. I've got another backup. Oh, and I've topped it off with Rimmel Oh My Gloss in Purr Glossy Cat. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think. Maybe at the end of the week we should have a poll which look was your favorite. But for now, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow and stay fabulous. Bye.